Hey, it's Chris at the Nice Garage. This is part 2. We just, hold on a second, let me take it back off so let me show them what we did. I took a unibit in my drill and I just picked a couple locations. The kit, the Airbox mod kit from CRF's only comes with, I believe, 6. And we ended up putting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you can see, there's webbing in the back, so it limits where you can put them. They're pretty big opening. This one here, watch, you go too far with your drill. This plastic's real soft. I just went just a slight too big, and I had to put a little bit of electrical tape around it, which I'm going to cut that off. But we just wanted to see if we notice any difference. Now, the K&N filter felt a little bit more throttle response. I don't think it gained any power or anything like that. I can't say that I noticed any real difference other than it felt like it had a little bit more throttle response. My factory filter really wasn't that dirty, so you know, I'm hoping that the K&N is going to give me a little bit of performance. I know it's a small bike, but alright, we're going to put this back together. It just started raining, but I'm going to take it for a ride and see if this Airbox mod makes a difference. And then the next step will be the, I think it's EJK FI controller. I don't have it yet. I got to purchase it, and that should make a difference with that mod and the FMF pipe. I did just a slip-on. I didn't do the header yet. I plan on getting the power bomb, but I haven't done so yet. This is just, I don't even put enough, really I don't even put enough miles on this bike, but I just wanted a little bit more power out of it. Okay guys, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them. I'll be sure and answer them. Thank you. We'll see you.